removing a complete wiper arm from a Renault Clio. Done. Remove that so that we can fit a new pipe for the screen washer that broke. Inside there, it goes in there, and the old one broke, but it's in there somewhere, and we've got to remove this to get to it. Fun and games. Okay, I'll remove both wipers, move the scuttle panel. This is the pipe that's broken and it goes down there somewhere. You can't see it from underneath. I've had to remove the side bit of the front windscreen. Now I'm guessing if I pull this out, and push a new one in, right, I should see it coming out the wheel arch, I reckon. Look. Okay, there's the pipe. It's come out from under there. Goes in there. And I'm going to join it onto this one here. Sorry about the dodgy cameraman. Okay, there you go. Finished job. Loops around there, a couple of cable ties to hold it in because it's a second-hand bit of piping. I've took off another vehicle that we're dismantling, and job done. Cheap as chips, part wise.